Yay! Our Black & Decker Hedge trimmer that's 22-inch just came. And I really like that they have this in a protective box. So let's open it and check it out. Here it is, and look how nice this looks. Powerful 4-amp motor for tough cutting tasks, 22-inch dual blade, and it can cut up to 3/4 of an inch. Plus, there's a saw blade that can cut branches up to 1.5-inch thickness. Super excited to check this out. So what's really nice about this, it only weighs 6 pounds and very lightweight and easy to use. This can cut up to 3/4-inch branches, but the saw blade, it can cut up to 1.5 inches. So I'm super excited. Let's try this out. So this has a 4-amp motor and it is corded. So you're gonna need an extension cord, preferably at least 25, 50, maybe 100 feet. It depends on your backyard and what projects you're gonna be using it for. It also comes with this precautionary statements and instructions on how to use. Definitely recommend you reading all these. You're also going to need to attach the handle and we'll need a Phillips screwdriver, which isn't included. Okay, so now you're going to line up these grooves so they go in together. After you clip it into place, you're going to use the screws to secure it. Okay, there's the first one. Very easy to assemble. Last one. Perfect. A nice thing about this, it has a safety feature. You have to click this button in order to start the saw. Now, of course, this is unplugged for right now, so it's not working, but definitely a great safety feature to always keep in mind. Now we're going to put on the guard. There's another screw that we're going to take off for that. Now we're going to do the guard, and as you can see, it just slips right in like this. And now we're going to put the screw in to secure it. Okay. I'm ready to go saw. Okay, so I'm all plugged up, got my safety glasses on, got my gloves on, and here it goes. There's a safety switch here that you have to push, and then there's the trigger. So here it goes. Wow, that's powerful. I'm ready to carve an elephant. So thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.